Tonal Fam, I'm Coach Natalie and I've got your form in 5 for the seated Paloff press. Set your bench up 1 or 2 feet away from the tonal arm that you're going to be using. Make sure that the weight is off. Bring the handle to the center of your chest. Before you turn it on, feet need to be planted on the floor. You need to be secure and comfortable in this position because once this weight goes on, your lower body is not moving. I turn my weight on, I bring it straight out from my chest. Now watch my waist as I turn. I'm only turning from my waist up. Now you can tell that this is even a struggle for me at a really light weight because this is a hard exercise to do. I'm working so hard to make sure that my legs and my hips aren't twisting with me. Let's do a couple more here. And I am exhaling as I pull it back to center. Okay, then I turn the weight off. If you're letting your hips and your lower body twist with you on this exercise, you're defeating the purpose of the exercise. We're trying to teach your core how to stabilize and support you when you're doing rotational and anti-rotational exercises. So again, just twisting from the waist up. Takes a lot of concentration. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.